Hello and welcome to day 7. We are halfway through our challenge. Today we're going to be doing some relaxing breath work using the 4-7-8 method. So inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 7, and exhaling for 8. So when you're ready, either lay down or find a comfortable seat and let's get started. Take a moment to settle in, find a lengthened spine, roll the shoulder blades back, close the eyes, and bring your awareness to the present moment. This breathwork will help to reset your body, bring your attention back to what matters, and calm down your nervous system. Take one deep inhale and exhale it completely out, even with a sigh if you like. Press all the air out of the lungs, really press. Then take one natural breath. Exhale it out and we'll begin. When you're ready, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale again. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale, release, relax the muscles as you do this. Inhale, fill up those lungs. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. You might begin to feel the rhythm just naturally set in. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Last one in this pattern. Good. Release. From here, we're going to move on to our second stage. Each inhale will last for 8 seconds and each exhale will last for 8 seconds. Check in to see how your body is feeling. Hopefully more relaxed. Maybe your thoughts are calming down as well. And when you're ready, we'll begin with stage 2. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Increasing to 10. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Go ahead and open the eyes on this exhale. Begin to move the body. Again, checking in with how your body feels, how your lungs feel, and your overall energy level. Good job. Thank you so much for joining me, and enjoy a few more bloopers of my dog going crazy before this super relaxing practice. I'll see you for day 8.